Hey, I'm Nick and welcome to my kitchen. On this week's episode, we're tackling Blue Dragon Pad Thai Kit. Until this week, I had no idea these kits even existed. They contain everything you need to make a Pad Thai except for a protein. So let's go ahead and thinly slice one large chicken breast so that we can start cooking it. Once your chicken's cut up into nice small bite-sized pieces, go ahead and start a pot of boiling water and drop your noodles into it. You have to cook these for between 5 and 6 minutes. I would cook them about 4.5 to 5 so that we can finish them in the sauce. Next, go ahead and add a tablespoon of oil to a pan and add your chicken. We're gonna cook these for between 3 to 5 minutes until they're mostly cooked through and they have a nice brown color on the outside. Once that's done, go ahead and add in your sauce and your noodles. Give it a quick stir until all your noodles are coated in the sauce, and then add the garlic chives and the crushed peanuts. Once again, mix it together, and now let's plate it up. Continuing to follow the instructions in the packet, it says that you should serve this with a little bit of cilantro and a couple slices of lime, so that's what we did. If you're looking to make Pad Thai in a pinch, then this kit is awesome for that. It tastes very similar to the Americanized Thai Express. For me personally, it's a little bit too sweet, so let's go ahead and make it homemade. Let's start by soaking our noodles in a high-rim dish. Cover entirely with hot tap water. I'm talking as hot as the tap water can get, and allow it to rest for 25 to 30 minutes. Here are the rest of the ingredients you're gonna need. 1 large onion, thinly sliced, 2 whole cloves of garlic, finely minced, 2 whole eggs, cracked and beaten together until homogeneous, 1.5 cup of bean sprouts, 2 tablespoons of crushed peanuts, and then if you can find garlic chives, go ahead and use that, but if all you can find is regular chives, it's good enough. You're also gonna need some thinly sliced chicken breast, about 1 large breast. Now let's prep our sauce. You're gonna need 3 tablespoons of packed brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1.5 tablespoons of tamarind puree. I had every intention of showing you how to make this, but I struggled with it, so I ended up finding it on Amazon. You can also find it in Asian grocery stores. Give that a quick stir, and then the next step is to strain our noodles. Now you have everything prepped to make your own Pad Thai at home. In a high-walled pan big enough to keep the contents of everything, we're gonna add in a couple tablespoons of oil and turn up the heat to high. We wanna make sure that this gets hot and stays hot so that we can stir fry everything in the oil. Add in your onion and your garlic and begin sweating that out until you start to see some color. Next, we're gonna add in all of our pieces of chicken and begin cooking that through. We wanna make sure that there's no pink cooked through this and we have a nice brown color on the outside. That's gonna give us a lot of texture and flavor. Once the chicken's cooked, push it to 1/2 of the pan, add a little bit of oil, and begin cooking our eggs inside of it. We wanna scramble these up at first, and then once it's cooked, start mixing it in with our chicken. Then we're gonna add the bean sprouts, the noodles, and the sauce, and get everything nice and hot. I used a pair of tongs here to mix it all together, and you're gonna wanna cook this down for about a minute to make sure the noodles are hot and fully cooked through. Go ahead and add in your chives and peanuts, and now it's time to serve. One easy way to plate any type of noodle is using a set of tongs. Just give it a little twist as you're putting it down on the plate. Make sure to top it with a couple big pieces of chicken, some of that leftover crushed peanut, some bean sprouts, some cilantro, and a slice of lime. And there you have it. That's how you make Blue Dragon Pad Thai homemade. Squeeze on some of that lime juice and dig your fork into this Pad Thai because you will be coming back for seconds. It's incredibly delicious. Usually when you make Pad Thai at home, the recipes are a little bit on the sweet side or they're a little bit too fishy. I think the tamarind really brings out that authentic Pad Thai flavor. I really think you're gonna enjoy this one. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. And if you really like the video, hit that thumbs up button. Until next time, get cooking.